Umentri rang ba gejala konrat ke sang mau la itho ba gejinglut haba pelong ya gejingelang ka kunhun menteri ne kabinet haki artli ki district kata hajwai bat hatura kalapoi shaka khat khandai point khat phralak ulong ba gani gejing pelong ya gejingelang ka kunhun menteri la haban pinsange no shwa manta namar gejingwan jong ka khlam covid khat khandai da ka baw lo ongru ba gejing thmu ban pelong ya gejingelang shaki district kalong panwanra ya jingejan ha kasanchar ka khadar shaki paiba nakalyang MLA ka Congress na rangsa khona u Zenet M Sangma ulwanra ya jingli ulong ba jingra ya jingelang ki ministry kalong tang ban pulut ksan ya pisau paiba dak ba ulo ongru ba ka pinduko ru wat ya jing traikam joki officer ha ki district namar ki ha ban pinkre pro shitayo nagam ta jingelang kabala wanra jing e but penjenjar yaki pait ba keberon kam yaki officer haki district ukonrat abo jubab halogani ke jingkentho Zenet ulong ba haban sngutho ba lada let da ka kunhun menteri haki district ka pher namar ka sarkar ka khramlet ban penthut ulong ba ka jingsisha ka de ka jinglet ki officer par ki pait ba ki kimen ba shimkhya ka sarkar namar haki jingelang bala plong haki artli ki district Amde bala pelong tang ka jingi kendu jongka kunhun menteri Henry Layoru ya ka review meeting dagi minister jongki tanat bapher.
So due to the pandemic COVID-19, Cabinet on the Move program is suspended temporarily. Reply to star question 55B. Sir, the expenditure incurred so far is 19,18,221 rupees only. Number C, the logic behind the move, the above program, served to bring the administration closer to the people of the state.
Mr. Speaker, sir, from the replies of the Honorable Chief Minister to B, the amount indicated here is whether the expenditure incurred mentioned here is for the entire cabinet meetings that were held altogether in many places or in one places?
Sir, it's in the two locations, which is Tura and Jawai, for two meetings.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I was surprised when I saw lots of banners, big banners put in and around Tura and in NH 51 also certain places that cabinet on the move. I was seeing it for the first time that time. What is this all about? Cabinet on the move like that. So after that, when I just tried to know, then I got to know that cabinet meeting is being held in Tura. So all the district had, all the officers from the line departments, they were drawn. They were engaged for 1 week, about 1 week, pertaining to their engagement in the preparation and also while the cabinet meetings was held. So thereby making the departments in the district level paralyzed for many days. So now in the reply to C, it is referred to here as to bring the administration close to the people of the state. So I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, in what way holding cabinet meetings in other parts of the state other than the state capital will bring the administration or the governance closer to the people of the state. I would like to get some explanation on this.
Sir, I have to start off by saying that it's very unfortunate that the honorable member does not understand the importance of monitoring governance and ensuring that meetings are held to review things. Now, sir, if according to what the honorable member is saying, that the entire system was paralyzed, then we should stop review meetings completely. No minister should have any review meeting ever. No meetings MLA should go or minister should go to the districts, because then you will disturb the line department's work. So this is not the purpose. one has to understand that we as a cabinet and as political leaders and as a government need to ensure that we are able to connect with the grassroots and to understand what the problems really are. And we can actually assess it better if we are able to visually see it, feel it. So therefore, number one objective is to be able to allow the ministers to be able to go and see for themselves. Sir, I remember in the year 2018, you were in the cabinet, in the government at that time. And at that time, we had decided that the ministers should go to the districts. And then you had gone, it's not a different issue, it's monitoring, please understand. And when the Honorable Speaker was minister and he went to Bakmara, he came back and he told me that I can't believe that South Garo Hills is so backward and that there are so many areas that need to be done. So you have to understand, number one, as I said, that when you go and see for yourself, it makes a big difference. Number two, it is not about we going and disturbing or interfering or making things complicated for the officers. If you ask a lot of the officials, yes, sometimes there is a lot of work to be done, you have to review, you have to make numbers. But then the fact that the ministers are going and actually sitting with them in the Tura office, in the Jawai office, gives them a sense of belonging and motivation that yes, the ministers and the government is concerned. They have come to meet us and see us, and we are able to focus on issues that are related more to Jawai, related more to the Tura. I think it is very important that we should do that, sir. And number three, when the honorable ministers and the cabinet went, so it was not just a cabinet. There was a review that was held by the PWD department. There was a review that was held by the medical department. For the mega health insurance, the health minister had 3-4 meetings when he was there in Tura. They had a meeting about the medicines and online inventory. And when he went there, he realized and he came to know that there are so many shortcomings in the system that is there. There were discussions on MMR, IMR. The sports department had the reviews. The CNRD department had the reviews. The different PMAY programs were reviewed. So therefore, it's not just a simple exercise where we just simply go just for a meeting and come back. It's a much more deeper sense. I don't want to go into details, so I think everybody in the house here understands what this means. And therefore, as I said, it's sad to see that experienced leader and a senior leader like the honorable member cannot see the importance of ensuring that we should move. So we cannot make decisions just sitting in Shillong. There are issues that are very specific to Southwest Khasi Hills. We will only be able to understand when we go to Southwest Khasi Hills. There are issues that are very specific to East Jente Hills. We cannot be sitting in Shillong and feeling it and realizing it. But when we go there, we feel it more. And that's a simple purpose. So I think there's nothing wrong in doing this. And I think this is in the overall interest of the people. We are able to connect to them better and ensure that we give better governance and better delivery in the governance that we're doing, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir. During the lecture of reply of Honorable Chief Minister, lots of applause we can see. I don't know why it is really necessary also. Sir, from the replies of the Honorable Chief Minister, I can understand that is his perception. If we talk about bringing the governance closer to the people, the government creates new blocks, the government creates new districts, the government creates new civil subdivisions, thereby bringing the governance closer and closer to the people. Just by holding cabinet meeting, I don't understand how the logic is as such that it brings the administration closer to the people when nobody can see and witness the cabinet meeting. Not even MLA also can enter into the room while cabinet meeting is held.
Honourable member, this is a question hour. Kindly put your
it is responding to the reply. Because every every statement made by the Chief Minister or any other
Please
minister.
put a question, please.
Yeah, it generates supplementaries. So I don't understand how, because I'm not talking about the review meetings held by
What is the supplementary
government.
question?
I'm talking about a cabinet meeting being held.
What is the
outside
supplementary question, please?
So, it is just the wastage of public money. So I don't see any benefit that people are getting out of this exercise.